Hi, my name is Ashwini Kumar and welcome to my channel. So before going into the main content of the video, here one announcement to the NTA UGC NET exam aspirants, and if you are not belonging to this category, then you may skip this announcement. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, then the free live classes are providing in the Unacademy platform. So the candidates who belongs to these subjects, the commerce, computer science, education, history, English, Hindi, geography, economics, labor welfare, psychology, home science, environmental science, electronic science, philosophy, public administration, law, management, political science, and sociology. And including this one, the general paper, that is teaching and research aptitude. So the candidates who belongs to these subjects, you are going to get the free live classes in the Unacademy platform. So to avail this one, you have to install the Unacademy learning app that I am providing the link in the description box of this video. And also along with that link, I am providing my WhatsApp number in the description box of this video and the subscription also. So here the free classes and the paid classes, both these two are provided by the Unacademy. So the free classes you can able to access freely, provided by the educator regarding to particular subject. And if you want to take the plus course, the plus course means the complete syllabus of your subject is going to be covered clearly with live classes, and your doubts will be cleared in the doubt clarifying session. And here these are the different subscription plans are provided for the plus classes: 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and the 24 months. So out of these plans, you may take any one of the plan based upon your requirement. And if you are using this code Ashwini K, then you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. And now while coming to the present content of the video, it is a Kurukshetra University. So in this university, I will provide this link in the description box of this video. You can check down the submission of online application form on the university website. Will commence from 7th August 2020, and the last date for submission of online application form for PhD is 15th August 2020. So if you want to check the clear schedule for these PhD admissions in the Kurukshetra University, see admission schedule to various PhD courses. For admission to PhD course for the academic session 20 to 21 for UGC or CSIR NET JRF with validity period, or UGC or CSIR NET teacher fellowship holder, Inspired Fellow with validity period, GATE with validity period, and GPAT candidates only. Okay, so the last date for submission of online application form is 15th August 2020, and the admission list to be displayed on 28th August. So the date of deposit of fee through online mode is 28th to 31st, and the commencement of coursework classes the 2nd November 2020, and the completion of coursework 12th May 2021, and the conduct of examination and declaration of result of the coursework is 25th 5/21, and the submission of synopsis is also given here. And coming to the application fee, for general category 800 rupees, and for SC BC blind candidate of Haryana 200 rupees, and for DA and others 800 rupees. So it is application fee. And coming to the seat matrix, so click on this one, then you will be directed to the vacancies in the departments. So here in the culture and archaeology, that is master degree as a main subject. So total 4 number of vacancies are there, and like that biochemistry, biotechnology, botany, chemistry, and commerce. So here in this table, the specialization and the vacancies based upon the caste category also given here. The computer science and applications, economics, education, electronic science, and English, Institute of Environmental science and fine arts, geology, geophysics, Hindi, history, home science, geography, instrumentation, law, library and information science, University School of Management, and microbiology, mathematics, music and dance, Institute of Mass Communication and Media Technology, pharmaceutical science, philosophy, physical education, physics, Punjabi, political science, psychology, public administration, Sanskrit, social work, sociology, statistics and operational research, tourism management, hotel management, and zoology. So Institute of Engineering and Technology, and here applied science and humanities. So total these are the different departments from where the vacancies are announced. So here the total number of vacancies from all these departments. So the total number of departments you can check here in this table. The 43 departments are there. Okay, the total 43 departments are there, and out of these 43 departments, the sub departments are also there. So coming to the Institute of Engineering and Technology, biotech, mechanical and computer science, and physics, maths, applied science and humanities, and ECE is also there. So nearly 200 vacancies are there in this Kurukshetra University. So it is only for the candidates who have this qualification, UGC NET teacher fellowship or the JRF or the GATE or the GPAT. So if you look at this table here, the admission list is going to be displayed on the 20th August 2020. So they did not represented anything regarding the written test or the interviews. So directly they represent the admission list to be displayed. So based upon this table, it may be the direct admission might be there based upon the UGC, CSIR, NET score or the GATE score or the GPAT score. Okay, so the candidates who are interested in this university, so please don't miss this opportunity, and I will provide this link in the description box of this video. And the one more thing is that to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing, tap the bell icon. Thank you.